Hi guys, I want to share a discovery. I have no idea why the following is happening and why it's happening and why it's not possible to do it other ways. But I made a video recently about how you could fix it if you cannot remove supports from like holes and stuff like here. Now um, in that example, I was using grid as supports, and I was also using automatic supports. So I'm just going to slice it again, and then you can see that it generates support inside the holes, even though I don't want it to be, because I have already gone and I have painted support blocking for those areas. Even the inside edge here, I have painted support blockers, and still I got it. So at first I tried to change to normal manual. I was hoping that maybe since I manually painted the supports, it would fix the problem. It did not, and I tried to go in and do like detailed work like I showed in my previous video, and it still didn't help. And then I went into the style of supports and grid, and I changed this to snug. I haven't tested grid organic. Let's test grid and organic just to see if that helps. No, grid organic still shows it. But if I change this to snug, for some weird reason, because I already had set its top set distance to 0 and bottom set distance to 0 here, so for some weird reason, when I set it to snug now, I get the option I want. Now there is no supports in the holes. And yes, I did test with the grid and on build plate only. I did test that. You can see that it still shows the supports. So even if I remove that, it shows it. So I had to set it to snug. So if you struggle with this still after all the painting and stuff, try change your support to normal and snug. When I print square objects like this, I always prefer to use normal supports, because then you get totally perfectly vertical supports around the whole model. So I thought I would just share that, because that was like an epiphany for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.